You guys loved the last video about hidden RAM features, but I saved the best secrets for today. If your touchscreen ever freezes, don't panic. Dealerships will charge you just to look at it, but I'm going to show you the mechanic's secret to reset it instantly while driving.
Today I have 5 more hidden features inside your Ram 1500, and the bonus feature at the end will literally hide your laptop.
Let's start with that giant Uconnect touchscreen. It's awesome, but like any computer, it can glitch out, freeze, or drop your Bluetooth connection.
Instead of turning the truck off, just press and hold both the physical volume and tune knobs at the exact same time for 10 seconds.
This does a hard reboot of the entire system right while you're driving. It's a lifesaver on road trips when the navigation suddenly freezes. Number 2 is a feature that RAM actually disables on some trucks from the factory, but you might have it hiding in your key fob.
If you press the unlock button once and then press and hold it a second time, your front windows will automatically roll down.
It's perfect for letting the massive heat out of the cabin during the summer before you even step foot inside the truck. Number 3 happens while you're driving on the highway, and it's a big reason why this heavy V8 gets better fuel economy than expected.
Behind that massive grille are active grille shutters. When you hit highway speeds, they automatically close to block air from entering the engine bay.
This drastically reduces aerodynamic drag, making the truck slice through the air instead of catching it like a parachute. It's brilliant engineering. All right, number 4. If you try to lift your windshield wipers to clean them or clear snow, you'll notice the wiper arm hits the hood.
A lot of owners accidentally scratch their hood paint doing this, but in your Uconnect settings, there is a hidden wiper service mode.
Activate it, and the wipers will automatically move to the middle of the windshield and stay there, so you can change the blades safely. Number 5 is a pure Easter egg that proves the interior designers at Ram have a great sense of humor and know their customers.
If you open your center console and look under the lid, you'll find built-in measuring rulers, protractors, and even fraction conversion charts molded in.
It's a subtle nod to the contractors and builders who use these trucks for real work every single day on the job site. Now, before we finish, I have a bonus secret for you. The center console in this truck actually hides a massive hidden vault.
The middle cup holder section actually slides all the way back, revealing a massive lower storage bin that is big enough to hide a laptop.
There is even a secret divider down there that flips up to keep your things from sliding around while you drive on rough roads. Most owners use the truck for years without realizing that your middle section is designed to move and create a completely hidden safe space. These tricks change everything, but there is one transmission safety feature you absolutely need to know before you drive another mile. If you missed the first video where I showed you the hidden AutoPark trick, click the video on the screen right now. See you there.